ज्ञानम अमृतम न चोरहार्यम न च राज्यहार्यम न भातृभाज्यम न च भारकरी व्यये कृते वर्धत एव नित्यम विद्याधनम सर्वधनम प्रधानम।
नैतिकताले चरित्र, व्यवहार र कर्तव्यको सही बाटो देखाउँदछ। संस्कृतिले राष्ट्रलाई चिनाउँदछ। समुदायको आचार व्यवहार र बौद्धिकताको पहिचान दिन्छ। साथै आफ्नो कला, साहित्य र सङ्गीतको मौलिक चिनारी गराउँदछ।
If your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, you are a true leader. Every man's ability may be strengthened or increased by culture. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take the moment and make it perfect.
Smartness, the way you present, the way you deal, the way you overcome the obstacles. Smartness is the flavor that enhances other qualities and values of life.
Smartness is when you question everything and don't subscribe unthinkingly to conventional wisdom. The curiosity to know things adds to your knowledge. Read as much as you can, as this will enrich your intellect. Think of new ways of doing things, as this helps you meet with your creativity and imagination. Think before dashing to things. Take time to reflect, as this enhances your learning process. The future you want is created by you, so indulge yourself more in productive activities.
The role of spirituality in our life. Spirituality is something which introduces us to ourselves. It also brings a huge change in our life. But people around us, in fact, everyone is waiting for this word, that is change. We need change, but nobody knows how can we make the change. We have to think about this word in three different parts. The first thing is, what brings the change? It's thought. We can start it from our thought level, reach to the words level, and then reach to the action. Definitely, we can bring the change in the world. And in this way, we are not only changing, we are making our fate.
We, the humans, are the finest product of evolution. Thus, we established civilization. Hence, education is the prerequisite of civilization, and education studied with moral values is the panacea of all the social evils.
Knowledge. Knowledge is understanding gained through learning or experience. The more you learn, the more you become self-confident. True sign of knowledge is imagination. We learn differently. The problem some people have with learning new knowledge is often not lack of intelligence, but that the information is given to them in a suboptimal manner. Intellectual growth increases each time you are open for learning. So, knowledge is vital to life.
Here, this is theta, the outer covering of theta is called theta external and inside covering is called theta internal. And do not have centriole for the accomplishment of second chaotic division. You can see the comic diagram here. Father and a son. Son is asking that why my hair is like yours. As you can see, both father and son, both of them are nucleic acid. DNA is also nucleic acid. RNA is also
English poem. It is P-O-E-M poem. And you know, when a poem is written or a poetry is written, the poet has to
class 10 and the first chapter there is Delhi Agreement, and now I am going to brief you regarding Delhi Agreement, what is Delhi Agreement and between whom this agreement was signed and what was the time frame, what type of changes was noted, and really let me share you one thing, that this phase of time was, the visual is like this. You can clearly look here, into Google, Nepali Congress, this is the symbol of Nepali Congress and the flag, and the last runner Prime Minister Mohan Samsher. That part we will do for 5 years. So I hope you got difference between interim and parliamentary election. Interim governments for certain period means for 2 years, and after parliamentary election.
Hey everyone, this is Varnika Rathi, Junior Wing Principal of Delhi Public School, Biratnagar. Our school was established in the year 2008 and we have come a long way since then. In this glorious period of 12 years, our team has not only become strong and smart but has also adapted the modern and interactive way of teaching. Now there would arise a question in your mind that why should you choose Delhi Public School Biratnagar? So let me convince you on this point. Firstly, we motivate our students to learn the basic moral and value system so that a strong and productive society can be built. Our teaching methods are very informative and interactive approach to disseminate up-to-date information on various topics. At DPS, curriculum has been planned and designed to encourage learning through doing. DPS boasts of mentors who have knack to identify and train the students for respective career and build them to be future leaders in their respective fields. At DPS, we celebrate exhilarating environment for learning through technologies and their application in practical life. We believe in practicing instead of professing because action speaks louder than words. DPS stands for dauntless yet decent, prolific yet polite, smart yet suave. I would like to add to this that for the upcoming session, we are about to introduce special training and coaching classes for our students like Kiddles, Karkhana, and we have also tied up with NIT Kolkata. We are also placing special focus on our students of class 11 and 12, science and commerce. For our commerce students, we will be providing them with training by professionals on the field like insurance, banking and tally lessons. Knowledge on digital marketing and e-commerce along with field and industrial visits and market surveys. For our science students, basic electronic communication and medical training by the leading medical and engineering colleges of Province 1. Training on journal reports and research thesis writing, workshops and seminars by pathologists and different professionals on the field, and basics on pharmaceuticals. Special assistance shall be given by the school to help the children to crack competitive exams. Apart from this, we are also introducing courses like filmmaking and photography to encourage our students who have special interest in these courses. Swimming pool and gymnastic facilities shall also be provided. I am sure not many schools in Nepal are providing such kind of facilities, and I believe that every school must include these in their curriculum to help the children cope up with modern and ever-changing education atmosphere. We are also providing spiritual, moral classes to our children by our enthralling teachers to help our children to remain connected to their roots, as this is what our school motto says. Lastly, I would like to end up with informing you that we have made an addition to our school logo, a Sanskrit phrase which is Gyanam Amritam, which means Gyan hi Amrit hai. Thank you.
I have seen a lot of development in my child. He was very shy initially, but now he is happy to play with the friends. He is happy to study. He was not studying at all. He never did homework. But now as soon as I tell him to do homework, he's ready, he runs, he goes, he brings out his books and starts studying. Whenever there is no homework, he tells me to give homework in her rough book so that he can study. So the teacher's way of teaching has developed his interest in studying. Also, he has learned many sports and all. He keeps on playing with me at home, volleyball, football. So he enjoys a lot, and overall I have seen a lot of development in him, and I'm very happy that I have sent him in DPS school. Thank you.
My name is Gaurav Kumar. I am father of Avani, and she just started schooling here in DPS Montessori 3-4 months back, and she is performing well. The environment of this school is very good. We are satisfied with her performance. Okay. And she also performed during annual function. We have enjoyed a lot, and she is performing well in homework also. And we wish all DPS staff are very familiar, very friendly, and they are taking care of every child. Thanks. Thank you.